In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to auto-date your Obsidian notes quickly. If you've ever wanted a clean, consistent way to create a note for today without typing the date yourself, this will save you time and keep your vault neatly organized. Start by opening Obsidian, then head to Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the lower left corner of the app. In the Settings panel, go to Core Plugins. This is where Obsidian's built-in features live. Look for Daily Notes in the list and make sure it's enabled. When this plugin is on, Obsidian knows how to automatically create and manage a note for the current day, which is exactly what we want. Next, still in Settings, find the Daily Notes section in the sidebar. Here, you can set the date format and the folder where your daily notes will be stored. The date format controls how the file name looks. A popular choice is YYYYYMMDD because it sorts perfectly by year, then month, then day. For example, 2025-1207 will always file in chronological order. You can adjust this to your preference, but stick to file name-friendly characters. Dashes or dots work well, while slashes can cause issues because they mean folders. Then choose a folder where these notes should live, like a dedicated daily or journal folder. Keeping them in one place makes them easier to browse and keeps your main vault tidy. With that set, you're ready to create today's note instantly. Press Ctrl+Shift+D on Windows or Linux, or Command+Shift+D on Mac OS. Obsidian will create a new note for today using the date format you just selected, and it will put the note in the folder you specified. If a note for today already exists, Obsidian will simply open it instead of creating a duplicate. That's helpful if you're jumping back in later to add more thoughts. If you press the shortcut and nothing happens, double-check that the Daily Notes Core plugin is enabled and that your chosen folder actually exists. Also confirm your date format doesn't include characters, your operating system doesn't allow file names. Once those are set, the shortcut should work every time. From now on, you can rely on a single key press to open or create your daily note. Consistently named, automatically dated, and easy to find later. This small setup makes a big difference in staying organized and building a daily writing habit. That's it. Your notes are now auto-dated in Obsidian.